Good morning, everyone. Here we are with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your oil pan in a 2009 Nissan Murano. It's all-wheel drive. As you guys can see, I already took the pan off, but I'll show you how I did that. All right. Okay. This is your oil pan right there. Okay. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 8, I'm sorry, it's 10 of 10 millimeter bolts. You have to remove, and then after you remove all of them, you're gonna come over here. Okay, right here. You're gonna take, you're gonna remove your passenger tire, and like I did right here, right there, you have to pry with a screwdriver. What I did, I just shoved that between the the top of the oil pan and oil pan itself. And I hammered it gently, not hard, gently, and keep going all the way around until you remove it. Okay. But right here, this is our old one, and it's all smashed from the bottom, so we're gonna have to replace that one. We got a new one, and I'll show you the process before you install the new one. There we go. This is our new pan, oil pan. We got our seal right here, and we got our black RTV silicone. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply with that little bit of that black RTV silicone, and very thin. You just gotta go follow these lines. When you go to the hole, go around it. You keep going all the way around. After you apply a little bit, a thin layer, then you just align your gasket and start tapping on it very gently all the way around. And then you apply another layer of the black RTV silicone, just like you did on the bottom. You're gonna go all the way around. When you get to the hole, go around it, and then make sure your gasket is aligned on holes. And what you're gonna do when you install it, put one here, one bolt here, and then go over here, put another bolt, and don't tie them. Just make sure you get them all the way to the top, not tight. And then you put one here and one there, one here, one here, one there, one there. And then when you tight them, the same way you put the bolts on. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you do the rest. Keep going around like that until you get them all tight. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do what I just told you. Only got one hand. I'm gonna need both hands. All right, here we go, guys. As you can see, that's how I did it. Go all the way around. Now you gotta hurry before this stuff dries. You gotta hurry up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the gasket on top and do the same thing, just like that. All right, this is how it's gonna look like after you put your gasket on, and it can only go in one way. See the design right here? It's not the same as here. So there you go. You line your holes just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the other layer. All right, I'm done with the silicone. So I'm gonna go ahead and align it and just follow procedure I told you about the bolts. All right, there you go. We got a new pan on, ready to go. Now we're just gonna put that oil back, cause since I just did oil change. Yeah, you guys, before you remove your oil pan, make sure you drain your oil first. You drain plug, screw it, drain your oil, then you do your replace your oil pan. And then here we go. We're all done. All right, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And of course, if you have any questions, hit me up. I'll get back to you. All right, I will see you in another video.